I don't know how many courses this thing takes.
So we want to measure by pulling this out first.
Yeah, but we don't need to. We know there's no oil in it. So you want to
pull this off?
Yeah, I forgot I'm not supposed to be twist it.
Twist it which way? Towards it?
That way. Yeah. Keep going. Actually, put that thing on super tight or what? Oh.
I lost the cap.
I got it.
Forever.
I got it. That's why we're here. We're learning, man. And wouldn't you rather learn on this than your beautiful car?
Yes, absolutely. Oh, pour it in?
That's the plan, Stan.
Unbelievable.
Look, oh my God. Oh God, he doesn't have the max. Max got a quart right in there without a drop.
Max, you're better than me at this.
I know I am.
And that's why I bought cheap oil, because once we figure out everything, we'll just drain it all and get good shit.
All right, Max, you show me how good you are then.
Let's see your skills. Yeah, everything I find is a 2.0. Oh, I gotta look at that.
I think he spilled more like that.
Nah, I wouldn't say that, but
Same amount?
alright, it's the downpipe's the 4-bolt flange. That's what we needed. Don't look that hard to get to.
So we're gonna try and start it now?
Yeah, we're gonna start it, let it run for a minute, see if it taps. Got one more to suck in there. Fuck, I had a garbage bag. Just put them caps back on it.
That's what I was about to do.
Unless this, we're gonna throw in a flower pot and bring the bag back. Remember, I got 900 bags here.
See, not a single drop that. Oh,
I didn't see it. Yeah, perfect. Oh, yeah, perfect, Max.
yeah, I'm perfect.
That first one you poured wasn't perfect. Looks like there's a little more oil. Where'd the oil on the VW come from? Wait a minute.
Where did that come
And then, all right, let's cap it and crank it. I hope we don't need the jumper cables, but I brought them. Yeah, this fender shot here might be, I don't know, some of my mind. But if we buy a decent runner without all the damage, we're gonna have to pay like $1,500 to $2,000.
We got this one for free.
Yeah, so I'll wipe it and check it.
Mm.
Dude, this fucking thing links in. Oh yeah, we should have checked there. It's not going. Fire it up. You're good. Fire it up. You can get your ass in there.
That'd be too much and too little, right? Still love how he has to go through the back to get to the front.
Oh shit, I forgot. And I'm thinking with the damage on that door, you're right. It probably messed something up with the electronics for the trunk and the sucking that fat boy.
Is it good?
Push the clutch in.
He's not turning.
Turn the wheel a little bit.
You need a man to get in there.
Like this. Let me see. This is the problem. She has. Turn it now. There we go. Clutch in. Dead. Alright, hold on. Let me get the cables. Turn the key off. Yeah, so we had to do it. So the last time we were here, this motor was tapping so damn bad. I'm just hoping it was just because it was low on oil. And I really don't want to put no money into it until I figure out the problem. You know how to do this?
No.
Red to red, black to black. That's why we're here, son.
Where's the node?
There's red, positive, black.
Oh, I didn't think that was that because I have a jump box.
I would go over top of it.
Red.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. And then the black. The last time I started it, yes, your car is different.
Yes, that car is different.
Your car's new.
New.
Give it a minute.
What do you mean? This car is only older than me.
Only older than me, Max. I think this car's older than me.
It's the same age as Kara. All right, I'm gonna start this. Problem is, the problem is it was tapping so bad the other day that I just had them turn it off when they give it time to charge the battery, you know? You guys want to try it real quick? Give it gas. There you go.
Turn off your wipers.
You got the wipers on, slick. Windshield's break. That's, you got them on high. You see, we
Interior's nasty.
no, we cleaned it all out, man. And the best part is, it's a 5-speed.
Yo.
Jiggle the stick. There you go. Oh, not like that, you homo. The other way. There you go. You fit your fat ass behind that wheel?
What?
Oh, we got to bring pliers to get that seat back trying it. Oh, why not? That's the exhaust.
What are your thoughts?
Still fucking tapping pretty good, ain't it?
Oh.
It's still tapping. Give it gas, bud. Give it gas. All right. All right. What do you think?
What do you mean, what do I think? I don't know, the first thing that engine's tapping. Why are the 4-ways on?
They work. Well, it's the valves. It's not the lower block, you know? Keep them on.
Turn them on.
All right, hit the brakes. All right. It's a valve. Worst case, we'll just fucking pull the top off and adjust the valves. I don't want to pull the thing off the top of your car. Here, hold on. That sounds better.
Crazy.
Tap it. I don't remember it tapping that fucking bad. All right, you all ready to get dinner?
Yes, sir. Max, we're gonna learn how to vinyl wrap your car right here. What color you want it? Black.
I was even thinking,
He wants to vinyl wrap his car black.
it's funny that this blinker works even though it's like hanging out of the fucking car.
That's a blinker?
Yeah, Max, hit the blinker, put the key back. Oh, never mind. Put the key back in and put the right passenger side blinker on. See?
Do my marker lights do that?
No, you don't have them. Well, that's what I'm saying, because he's nothing for the trunk works.
Everything for the front works.
I'm thinking because they're both right there and there's so much damage on this door that whoever pried the door apart probably broke the wires, because it's just odd that the trunk and the gas thing both don't work at the same time.
How do you gas up the gas or don't work?
And this, the guy selling these, because look at this, hey, she did a better job with it.
Did she put a mirror in?
She put a truck or a spot mirror on there.
God.
I was thinking about this fucking getting a power washer and just all in there. Or no.
Gosh, she broke into your car.
She did, remember? Because she couldn't get the fucking door open.
Yes, I do remember.
The first day that's how we opened it, not realizing.
Yeah, then I got glass on my finger.
So neither of the front doors worked?
No, the front doors were.
Well, they were all locked, but they were all sealed so tight from sitting out here.
Does this one work?
Yeah, this side works and that back one works now. It's just that door that doesn't work.
The driver door just doesn't work.
And so Chris did a nice little job with this because she had like a piece of reflective tape on there. I know Chris wasn't here. Somebody did that for her.
Probably Touch Me Tony.
Well, that's why I'm buying them other mirrors because this one's shot and the new door doesn't come with a mirror. So
Max, you want to climb the tree like old time's sake?
you can. That mirror's good over there, Max?
Yeah. No, even the switch for the adjustment works.
What is this piece of plastic in the...
This fender shot. That was her new window. She's like, don't worry, there's a new window laying in a... Basically, you're going to cut it out and stick it in there, but I'm not doing no half-ass shit like that. We can actually learn, pull this trim off, put the seal in, and then put the trim back on. Like, that's why I want to do this. That fender shot.
Cheap plate.
This door's not bad. This door just has a dent here.
Get the dent puller.
Yeah, this, we can probably buff this out. Little rust right there we can sand down.
Oh yeah, the rust on the fender stops at the door. Maybe
Yeah.
it's not attached.
So basically the hood's good. So this fender, that door.
The fender's a door window. The rear fender. The fender's good.
Duh, this one's shot, but we're gonna try pulling that out.
Was she get to access or was it already like this?
This one, Uncle Peter, he crashed it twice in one day. He ran over a dude on a bicycle, and then he drove off the road into a guardrail and doesn't remember either accident.
The cyclist deserved it, I swear.
That's what he says, yes.
Should have been the road.
All right, the mosquitoes are eating the fuck out of me. You guys ready?
Yeah.